Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Mary Jean Sinilia, 43 years old, married with one son, 22 years old, and two daughters, 23 and 4 years old. I live in Poblacion Ilawod, Cortero Capiz, and I am the only child of the family, and I am a high school graduate.
Okay, so are you the one who's taking care of your 3 children since their birth?
Yes, ma'am.
And who will take care of them, especially the 4 years old if you work abroad?
My relatives, ma'am.
Do you have work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Saudi Arabia for 3 years.
Okay, how many members of the family your employers have in Saudi Arabia?
They are 4, ma'am.
Okay, what are they?
The two grandchildren and the grandparents.
Okay, so the grandparents and the 2 grandchildren, where are the parents of the grandchildren?
They are working in Lebanon as a professional doctor.
Okay, so are you the only one helper in your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
So it means you are the only one taking care of the 2 kids.
Yes, ma'am.
And what are your other duties inside the house of your employer?
I also do cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking. But my main duty is to take care of the children.
Okay, so how would you describe your employers? Are they good to you?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am hardworking, honest, and a responsible person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have a surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad. I wanted to work abroad to sustain our needs and to provide the needs of my children.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you're working?
I usually sleep around 12 midnight after work, and I wake up around 5 a.m. ma'am.
In Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How will you control your temper?
I will more patient and understanding to them.
If you are homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work, ma'am, and I remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Do you have an allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Do you accept no day off to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
And are you willing to share room with the kids or elder?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
First, ma'am, I will check the temperature of the baby, and if the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hour?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to extend my contract as long as my employer needs me.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give example.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the...
Okay, thank you. Can you please say a short message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. Hope you will choose me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and trustworthy. I promise to serve your family as with all my best. Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Okay, could you promise to serve the family of your employer with all your heart?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you serve them like your own family?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you a happy person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.